Hi children. In previous class, we have learned the definitions of the trigonometric ratios and the signs of the trigonometric ratios and the relation among the trigonometric ratios. Now in this class, we are going to learn the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and the values of the trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. First of all, let us see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Before going to this concept, what is meant by complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. In a right angle triangle, one angle is right angle and the other two angles sum is equal to 90 degrees. That's why the remaining two acute angles are complementary angles in a right angle triangle. Now let us see. In this right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. A plus C is equal to 90 degrees because of the sum of three angles in a right angle triangle is 180 degrees. Now, in triangle ABC, what is sin A? Sin A is nothing but opposite side to A by hypotenuse. Here opposite side to A is BC by AC. Now, cos A is equals to AB by AC. Tan A is equals to BC by AB and cot A is equals to AB by BC. We knew it from the definitions of the trigonometric ratios. Now let us see in triangle ABC what is sin C? Sin C is the side opposite to C, angle C, not angle A. The side opposite to angle C is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, sin C is equals to AB by AC. Sin C can be written as C can be replaced with 90 degrees minus A. From the first, AB by AC is equals to cos A. From the first equation, from the first relations, AB by AC is equals to cos A. Come to the second one, cos C is equals to, C can be replaced with cos of 90 degrees minus A, which is equals to BC by AC. From the first relations, we have BC by AC value is sin A. See children, it is very important. Sin C is equals to sin of 90 degrees minus A is equals to, what is sin C in this triangle? The opposite side to C by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side to angle C? AB, not BC. BC is not always opposite side. It is the side opposite to angle A. Here we require the side opposite to the angle C. Then AB is the opposite side with respect to the angle C. Now we have to observe that point. Now sin C is equals to sin 90 degrees minus A, which is equal to AB by AC. Because of here AB is the side opposite to angle C. From the first relations, AB by AC is equal to cos A. See cos A. AB by AC is equal to cos A. Similarly, apply for the remaining also. What is cos C in triangle ABC? Cos C is adjacent side to C. What is adjacent side to C? BC. And what is hypotenuse? AC. Therefore, BC by AC. From the first relation, what is BC by AC? Sin A. See, sin A is equal to BC by AC. And we can replace C with 90 degrees minus A. Therefore, cos of 90 degrees minus A is equal to sin A. Now come to the tan C. Tan C is nothing but the side opposite to angle C by the side adjacent to angle C, which is equal to AB by BC. This is equal to cot A from the first relations. And we can replace C with the 90 degrees minus A. Finally, tan of 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot A. Now come to the cot C. Cot C is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus A, because of we can replace C with 90 degrees minus A. What is the definition of the cot C? The side adjacent to angle C by the side opposite to angle C. Therefore, which is equal to BC by AB, and this is equal to tan A from the first relations. Now, cot of 90 degrees minus A is equal to tan A. Sec and C. secant C is equal to secant of 90 degrees minus A, which is equal to AC by BC according to the definition of the secant C, and this is equivalent to cosecant A from the first relations. See the first relations. Now cosecant C is equal to cosecant of 90 degrees minus A. Here A we can replace with 90 degrees minus A. Therefore, this is equivalent to AC by AB according to the definition of the cosecant C. Now, this AC by AB is equivalent to secant A from the first relations. Children, finally, what do you observe? Sin of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cos A. Similarly, cos of 90 degrees minus A is equals to sin A. And also, tan of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cot A. And cot of 90 degrees minus A is equals to tan A. And secant of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cosecant A. Cosecant of 90 degrees minus A is equals to secant A. And previously, in the last class, I say one point, that is why CO is added. There CO stands for complementary, because of, observe here, the sum of 90 degrees minus A and A is 90 degrees. Therefore, sine and cosine are related with complementary angles. That's why CO is added before the sine. The angles of sine and cosine are complementary angles. These two are complementary angles. That's why complementary angles are there, then the sine and cosine are equal. That's why CO is added before sine of the angle A, cosine. Sine of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cos A. Similarly, tan of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cot A. See, 90 degrees minus A and A, sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degrees. That's why CO is added before the tangent of angle A. Secant of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cosecant A. Here also, sum of these two angles equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, these two are complementary angles, and these two ratios are related with the complementary angles, so that secant, before secant, if you add CO, it becomes the cosecant. That is the reason why CO is added before the sine, tan and secant. Is it clear to all? Let us find the values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Now, the first one is T ratios of 45 degrees. For that, we have to take a right angle triangle ABC. The angle B is equals to 90 degrees. I am taking angle A as 45 degrees. Then what about angle C? The angle C is also 45 degrees. Then if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equals to BC. Now I am taking AB is equals to BC is equals to for some A units. Now by Pythagoras theorem, I can find AC value. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Then AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square is equals to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC is equals to root 2A units. Now, sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees means C triangle, the side opposite to the 45 degrees by hypotenuse, which is equals to BC by AC. A by its BC value is A, AC value is root 2A. A cancel, 1 by root 2 is remaining. Therefore, sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now come to the cos 45. And if you use the above complementary angles theorem, then sine 45 and 45 are complementary angles. That's why cos 45 value is also 1 by root 2. You can get from that also. And from this diagram, AB by AC, cos 45 is equals to AB by AC, which is equals to A by root 2A, which is equals to 1 by root 2. Now come to the tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to BC by AB according to the definition. What is BC? A. What is AB? A. A by A cancel, then 1 is remaining. Therefore, tan 45 value is 1. Now cot 45. Since these two are complementary angles, tan 45 and cot 45 both are equal. Otherwise, cot 45 is nothing but the reciprocal of the tan 45. Therefore, 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Otherwise, from the diagram also, we can say tan cot 45 degrees is equals to AB by BC, which is equals to A by A, which is equals to 1. Now, come to the secant 45 degrees. Secant 45 is nothing but 1 by cos 45, reciprocal of the cos 45. Cos 45 value already we got as 1 by root 2. Therefore, secant 45 is equals to root 2. Otherwise, from the diagram, secant 45 degrees is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side to 45 degrees. Therefore, AC by AB, which is equals to root 2A by A cancel, root 2 is remaining. Therefore, secant 45 degrees is equals to root 2. Now, cosecant 45 degrees is equals to AC by BC, which is equal to root 2A by A cancel, and root 2 is remaining. Therefore, cosecant 45 is also root 2. Otherwise, you can say in another way, that is 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Both are complementary angles. That's why cosecant 45 is equal to secant 45. Let us find the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees. For that, we have to take an equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle means all the angles are equal to 60 degrees. And AD is angular bisector. Take AD is the angular bisector, D is a point on BC. In equilateral triangle, angular bisector and the median and the altitude are same. Perpendicular bisector of the side BC, all are same. That's why D is the midpoint of the BC. Therefore, BD is equals to DC is equals to A. If I am taking AB is equals to 2A units. Now, triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. AD is angular bisector of angle A. For our convenience, consider AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to 2A units. And according to property of the equilateral triangle, we have BD is equals to DC is equals to A units. Now, in triangle ABD, I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the AD value, because of two sides are known in this ABD triangle. BD is known, AB is known. That's why we need to find the third side using the Pythagoras theorem. Now, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square, which is equal to 3A square. Therefore, AD value is root 3 into A units. Now, in triangle ABD, sin 60 degrees is equal to, see, very important this is, sin 60 degree, in triangle ABC only we have to see. Sin 60 degrees is equals to AD by AB. And the same AD by AB is equal to cos 30 degrees. With respect to 30 degrees, this AD is adjacent side and hypotenuse is AB only. That's why sin 60 degrees and cos 30 degrees both are equal. Now both are equal to AD by AB, which is equals to root 3A by 2A. Its value is root 3 by 2. Children, and in another way also you can say 60 degrees and 30 degrees both are complementary angles. The sum of these two is equals to 90 degrees. That's why sin 60 degrees is equals to cos 30 degrees. Previously we learnt it. And come to the cos 60 degrees. How the cos 60 degrees is defined in triangle ABD? In triangle ABD, cos 60 degrees is equals to BD by AB. And this BD by AB is equal to sin 30 degrees, because of, with respect to 30 degrees, BD is opposite side and AB is hypotenuse only. Therefore, cos 60 degrees is equals to sin 30 degrees is equals to BD by AB only, and which is equal to BD value is A, AB value is 2A. That's why 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the value of the cos 60 degrees. Now come to the tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees in triangle ABD is AD by BD according to the definition. Now the same is cot 30 degrees equal to cot 30 degrees, because of AD is the opposite side to 60 degrees and the same AD is the adjacent side to 30 degrees. BD is the adjacent side to 60 degrees, the same BD is the opposite side to 30 degrees. That's why tan 60 degrees is equal to cot 30 degrees is equal to AD by BD, which is equal to root 3A by A cancel, root 3 is remaining. Finally, the value of the tan 60 degrees is equal to cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. Other way, we can say 60 degrees and 30 degrees are complementary angles, so that tan 60 degrees and cotangent of 30 degrees both are equal by the previous known theorem. Now come to the cot 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees we can get from the tan 60 degrees, which is the reciprocal of cot 60 degrees. Therefore, cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 60 degrees and which is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, tan 30 degrees we can get from the cot 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by cot 30 degrees. Therefore, cot 60 degrees and tan 30 degrees both are equal to 1 by root 3. Otherwise, from the diagram also, cot 60 degrees is nothing but BD by AD and the same is equal to tan 30 degrees and which has the values of A by root 3A. By simplification, we will get 1 by root 3. Now come to the secant 60 degrees. We can obtain the value of the secant 60 degrees from the value of the cos 60 degrees by taking its reciprocal. Otherwise, directly we can get from the triangle. Secant 60 degrees is equal to AB by BD and AB by BD stands for cosecant 30 degrees also. Therefore, AB is equal to 2A, BD is equal to A. By simplification, its value is equal to 2. Therefore, secant 60 degrees is equal to cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. Now come to the last one, cosecant 60 degrees. You can get the cosecant 60 degrees from the sin 60 degrees. Because of cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees, therefore its value is 2 by root 3. Otherwise, from the diagram also can get it. Cosecant 60 degrees from the diagram is AB by AD and the same AB by AD is equal to secant 30 degrees and which is equal to 2A by root 3A. And by simplification, we will get the value of the cosecant 60 degrees as 2 by root 3. Children, we have to remember these values for doing the problems. Okay. Now again, I want to revise the total values of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. And tan 60 degrees is equal to cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. And cot 60 degrees is equal to tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. And secant 60 degrees is equal to cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. And cosecant 60 degrees is equal to secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Children, it is very easy to remember all these values because of if you remember sin 60 degrees value, automatically it's a complementary angle with cosine that is cos 30 degrees is known. If you know cos 60, automatically we have the value of the sin 30 degrees because of we are using the complementary of angles concept. Okay children, we can apply for the remaining also. Let us find the values of trigonometric ratios at 0 degrees. Now, consider again this rectangular coordinate system by taking O as center and R as radius. If you draw the circle, then P is a point in a first quadrant, construct a right angle triangle OPQ and take the angle between the OP and OQ is as theta. Then if theta is equal to 0 degrees, what happened if theta is equal to 0 degrees? If theta becomes 0, this OP coincides with OQ or x-axis. Therefore, in that case, OP is equal to OQ. Now, what about PQ? If it moves in a way, then PQ becomes 0. Therefore, PQ equals to 0. Children, we have to understand it very clearly. When theta equals to 0, what happened? OP coincides with the OQ and PQ, the height, becomes 0. And using these two results, we are going to define sine 0 degrees. What is sine 0 degrees? Sine 0 degrees. And what is sine theta? PQ by OP. Now, in the case of 0 degrees, it is equal to PQ by OP only. 0 by OP is equals to 0. And what about cos 0 degrees? Cos 0 degrees is equals to cos theta. Cos theta is equals to OQ by OP. Here OQ is equals to OP. Therefore, OP by OP equals to 1. Therefore, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. Did you understand the values of the sine 0 degrees and cos 0 degrees, children? Now, let us see the remaining. Tan 0 degrees. Tan 0 degrees is equals to tan theta is equal to PQ by OQ. What is PQ? 0. 0 by OQ equals to 0. Therefore, tan 0 degrees is equals to 0. And cot 0 degrees. What about cot 0 degrees? Cot 0 degrees is nothing but the reciprocal of the tan 0 degrees, 1 by 0. Whenever the denominator is 0, then the result is undefined. And one more doubt, that is when we are supposed to write infinite, plus infinite or minus infinite. Here I want to give the clarity. Whenever exactly the denominator is exactly 0, then it is equal to undefined. Then it is undefined. If the denominator approaches to 0 from the left side or right side, that is 0.000 something else, then it is called infinite. Then that value approaches to infinite. There is a difference between the writing the infinite and undefined. So that here clearly it is undefined because of cot 0 degrees from this right angle triangle OPQ. OQ by PQ. OQ is OQ only, PQ is equals to 0. Therefore, it is undefined. Its denominator is exactly 0. That's why it is undefined. Cot 0 degrees is undefined. Now come to secant 0 degrees. Secant 0 degrees from the diagram is equal to secant theta, that is equals to OP by OQ. OP by OQ equals to OP by OP, which is equals to 1. Therefore, secant 0 degrees is equal to 1. Now cosecant 0 degrees. Cosecant 0 degrees is nothing but 1 by sine 0 degrees. 1 by sine 0 degrees is nothing but 0. Therefore, 1 by 0 is again undefined. Otherwise, from the diagram also can get it OP by PQ, OP by 0, which is equal to undefined. Okay, children? Let me say again, sine 0 degrees is equal to 0, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1, tan 0 degrees is equal to 0, and cot 0 degrees is undefined, secant 0 degrees is 1, and cosecant 0 degrees is also undefined. Now, we are going to find the values of the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. For that also, we have to consider x and y axis and take a right angle triangle OPQ, and theta is the angle between OP and OQ. Now, if theta is equals to 90 degrees, what happened? If theta equals to 90 degrees, P moves towards the y-axis. P is on y-axis. Then this OP is equal to PQ. In that case, OQ becomes 0. Therefore, these two happened when theta equals to 90 degrees. Now, sine 90 degrees is equal to, what is sine theta? Sine theta is equals to PQ by OP only. But theta is equals to 90 degrees, PQ by OP. What is PQ? OP. OP by OP equals to 1. Therefore, sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. Come to the cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees. How cos 90 degrees is defined? How cos theta is defined? OQ by OP. Now replace theta by 90 degrees. And OQ by 0, OP by OP only. Therefore, cos 90 degrees is equals to 0. Now, come to tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees is equals to, tan theta is equal to PQ by OQ. Now, replace theta by 90 degrees. Then, PQ becomes PQ only, OQ becomes 0. Here, denominator 0 is there. That's why tan 90 degrees is undefined. Now, come to the cot 90 degrees. Cot 90 degrees is equal to OQ by PQ. OQ value is 0. PQ value is PQ only. 0 by PQ equals to 0. Secant 90 degrees is equal to, from the diagram, what is secant 90 degrees? Secant theta is equals to OP by OQ. OP by, what is OQ value? 0. And in denominator 0 is there. That's why secant 90 degrees is equals to undefined. Now come to the last one, cosecant 90 degrees. What is cosecant 90 degrees? Cosecant 90 degrees is equals to OP by PQ. OP is equals to PQ, therefore OP cancelled, then 1 is remaining. Cosecant 90 degrees is equals to 1. Children, see, sin 90 degrees is equals to 1, cos 90 degrees is equals to 0, tan 90 degrees is equals to undefined, and cot 90 degrees is equals to 0, and secant 90 degrees is undefined, and last one, cosecant 90 degrees is 1.